Hey guys, so today, oh my camera is so dirty. Okay, I think we're good now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paige and today I'm going to be doing a weekend in my life in New York. I love doing weekend in my life videos. I love doing day in my life videos. I love doing like more like life videos. I think they're really entertaining and fun to film. So I thought I would do it for New York because I live here and I haven't done one yet. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit. I'm gonna wear my EBATES coat like usual so I'm not freezing because I know this is kind of cropped. It hasn't been like super cold in New York. It's been like 50s, like nothing crazy. I got this shirt off of Dotes, and then my sports bra kind of thing is from Secosky. My pants are from EBATES, and then I'm going to wear my white boots. And I'm also wearing this necklace from the M Jewelers. My earrings are from Etsy, but I'll link them down below. And yeah, that's my outfit. I'm not really having a good makeup day, but I'm trying to make all my videos shoppable for you guys, so I'll have the link to this outfit down below. I have some plans today with my friends. We're gonna go to Bloomingdale's. I'm gonna make a purchase, and yeah, let's go. I actually had to wear these gray shoes instead because my white boots are like pure white and my pants are like cream, so it just looked weird. But you know, I think I like the gray. Just, you know, browsing.
You made her decision.
Do you want me to do an up and down?
This is not real. This is not real. I'm so anxious.
Look at this obnoxious bitch. This bag is literally the size of you. It's the size of you.
So we just got to this restaurant called LYFT, and we got some nachos. These look so good. Okay guys, so I just got back to my apartment. Just went out to eat at Bloomingdale's. So Bloomingdale's has a restaurant and that's where we went to eat. I actually took a car back just because this bag is humongous, so I didn't want to like take it through the subway and like go down the stairs and stuff like that. I honestly was going to take the subway back, but my friends were like, and I was like, yeah, you're right. I'm going to do an unboxing. Okay, so I just feel like I have to do a disclaimer. I'm like not trying to brag in any way. Like, I like watching these kind of videos, and if you don't like watching them, just exit out of the video. And I spent my own money on this. I know I'm going to use this literally forever, and I know I'm going to get so much use out of it. So I'm sorry if you don't like, you know, designer things. Just exit out of the video. The lighting's bad too. Like, I have my lamp on. I don't know. It's nighttime, okay? It's only actually like 6. But, okay. Interesting. So, this is the box it comes in. It says Louis Vuitton. And it's all wrapped. The guy was super sweet. I'm so annoying. I'm just so annoying whenever I go to stores like this because I want to make sure the item that I'm getting is going to like, I don't know, just that I'm going to use it forever. I ended up getting the Louis Vuitton Keep All, it's like something, I don't know, I'll have the exact name of it down below for you guys, but I was between 2 sizes. So they have a 45, 50, 55, and I think, do they have a 60? I don't know. So I wanted to get this bag for traveling because I live in New York City, if you guys know. I live in New York during the school year, and like I go to school here, but I go home a lot because my dad's girlfriend works for the airlines, so I could fly really cheap home. So I do fly a lot and I travel a lot, and I just don't have like a personal item that like is big enough. Like I will carry my book bag around, so I got the 45. The main reason I was maybe going to get the 50, but I was kind of against. I looked at the dimensions of the 50 and it would just barely make it for a personal item, and I don't want anyone to ever tell me like I had to check in this bag, or like I can't like bring it on the airplane because it doesn't meet the guidelines for a personal bag. So that's why I got the 45. Like, this could be my diaper bag one day for when I have kids, and it's a cute diaper bag. But it comes with a strap. They also have a luggage little tag, and you can get it personalized for free. So I was like, okay. It's at Louis Vuitton right now, and they're going to do that tomorrow and then call me whenever it's ready. So that was so cute. Like, I mean, I'm paying this much for a bag. That better be free. I don't know if you guys have seen the whole thing. Strap. Yes, gorgeous. Love it. Oh, this is the key. Okay, there's a little key in here. So I guess you could like lock it. I think it's so cute, guys. Like, and I've wanted this for so long, and I honestly am so picky about what I spend my money on. I have so much. I save a lot of my money too. Like, I just don't go out and blow money all the time. I save a lot of my money, and also whenever I want something that's this expensive, I just think about it for such a long time before I purchase it, just because I want to make sure I am 100% going to use it. So yeah, that was really it for this day. I'm not really going to do that much. I'm probably just going to like do some homework and edit, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so day 2 of this weekend of my life video. Actually my friend Emma's birthday, and we're going downtown to Soho and go shopping. Oh my gosh, you guys are probably like, all this bitch does is shop in New York, and okay, it might be true, but right now there's way more to do whenever it's warmer outside, and since it's cold outside, all we want to do is really like be inside and just do like, I don't know, I mean, we could go to like museums and stuff. I just feel like there's more to do when it's warmer outside. We got dessert last night and it was so good. Like, insert picture here, so bomb. It was called Grey Street, I think Grey Street Cafe or something like that, but I'm gonna show you guys my outfit now. This is my outfit today, super cash. So I'm wearing my Jordans and then these sweatpants from Adidas and just this t-shirt. I got this shirt on Dodes. I don't know exactly what brand it is, but I'll have everything, this whole outfit linked down below, like, so you guys can shop it. And I'm wearing this necklace from the M Jewelers. Am I not in focus? Yes, I am. I literally got my hoops from Walmart in this big pack of like different sizes, and then my sunglasses are so cute, guys. Guys, I got them for literally $10 at Urban Outfitters. They're so cute for $10. Like, what? I saw them for $10 and I was like, okay, that is such a good deal. And then I think I'm gonna wear this jacket that Dote gave me. I'll try to figure out where it's from. I'm not exactly sure because they gifted it to me, but I'll ask them where it's from. But yeah, that is my outfit, so let's go. Letting awful. My friends are stuck though, but so beautiful. I haven't been to Soho in forever just because it's been kind of cold. It's fine. But
Subways, man, they fucking mess everything up.
Paige, we had to take 2 subways and a bus.
Oh my gosh.
2 subways and a bus.
And we ran to the bus.
My ears. My ears are frozen. Like, my ears are going to fall off.
Can we talk about this coat?
Thank you.
I want it.
You can get it on Dote.
Dote, and guess what? I could use your code, right? And get how much off?
$5 off with the code Paige.
A whopping $5.
Oh, this is a cute little corner. Oh shit.
I like that white building.
Me too. I want this bag so badly, and she got the last one in the universe. Literally the last bag in the universe.
I don't know why, I don't know who, but somehow
she got it.
Answered my prayers.
I literally called Louis Vuitton 1,000 times to get that bag, and they have been sold. I've been calling them for the last 2 months, and I can't get it. So it's just not meant to be.
Yeah. Fix your hair on this side. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah, it's
1, 2.
Went to Adidas and LF, and I got 2 things, and also in Adidas I met a subscriber. She was so cute.
Oh my god, you did?
Yeah.
She was really cute.
Guess where she was from? Guess where she was from?
Where?
New Zealand.
No,
New Zealand. I was like, what are you doing here, girl? And she was like, I moved here for a year. I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. So
she's gonna watch this.
I know, and I
Shout out to you.
If you're watching this, please send me our photo we took through Instagram or Twitter or something, because I want to have it. We're gonna try to buy Emma a present real quick.
Real quick. Oh my god, we're cutting it so close, but we love her. She's amazing. She's great. Help us find something.
Michael, are you Italian?
Duh. Ask me anything.
What is the Italian flag colors?
You don't know that?
Wait, no. Wait, it's green, red, and white.
Oh my
Bitch,
god.
I'm from Italy. Why? I just want to see if you guys knew.
Just still walking in Little Italy. Which one is it? Yay, thank you. Oh my god, this is so adorable. Oh my gosh.
I want the fattest bowl of pasta.
For real, with so much cheese.
What is this? How do you say this place, Emma?
Pasta.
Okay. Look at this little decor. Oh my gosh, yay.
My hair is static.
I'm so cold right now.
Jazz hands.
I cannot feel.
I got just cheese.
You got a pasta. You got a side of pasta with your cheese.
Yeah, literally. Just got back from shopping. I'm going to show you guys what I got. I think I'm like this shopaholic, and I swear I don't shop that much. Like, it's just, I don't know what's going on this weekend. I'm just shopping like, am I not in focus? I don't know what's going on this weekend. I'm just shopping like crazy. So, these joggers from Adidas, I'm not going to try them on, but I think I'm going to do a try on haul video, and I can try them on then for you guys. And I am focused. I can't really tell. I hope I'm in focus. Okay, so I got these joggers from Adidas. These are actually men's joggers, but I've been looking for these joggers forever, and I can never find them. So I was so happy I could find them. I got them in a size small. They're a little big, but they told me they didn't have an extra small. They could be lying though. And they're just the ones that cuff on the bottom. I wanted red ones because you guys know I'm obsessed with red. Gosh, I'm sitting down now. I was like up higher before because I was like, I don't know. I got one thing from LYFT. Their prices are literally ridiculous. Even with the sale, this was like still $60, and this is okay, originally this was $168, and this is not worth that at all. A little iffy with $60, but I was like, just go for it. So it's just this orange Tennessee cropped hoodie, and it's really distressed, and I don't know, I just thought it was cute to wear like under my fishnet bodysuit that I have. I've never even been to Tennessee. I just thought it was cute. Okay, it's actually a Champion sweatshirt. I didn't even know that. Did you guys know that Hanes manufactures Champion? Well, now you do, because I'm doing a report on it right now. And then I went to Kith. I love their boxes, so cute. But I got a pair of shoes. I wanted to get a t-shirt, but I didn't really like any of the stuff that was there. I feel like they didn't have a lot of options either. But I got a pair of New Balance shoes, and I've been wanting a pair of New Balance shoes forever. I've been looking for a pair, and I love them. These ones, so I'm usually a 6.5 in shoes, but I actually got these in a 7. The 6.5 felt a little tight, but they're just these New Balance shoes. They're black. What are they called? It just says lifestyle. Okay, I don't know. Maybe they're just called the lifestyle New Balances, but I thought they were so cute. I don't have any. It's crazy. I don't have any pairs of like black tennis shoes other than I have my Vans, but honestly, Vans are so, am I focused, so uncomfortable. Like, the first time I bought them, I'm like, why does everyone have these? They're so uncomfortable. And hopefully now I can wear something other than my Air Force One. But yeah, that was probably it for this day. I have one more day, and I am literally just going to take off my makeup and do homework. I have to finish my report on Hanes. So I will see you guys in my next day, and I love you all so much. I just filmed the whole intro and it was all messed up. This is the last day of the day of my life video, so I have an event to go to for Elle magazine. I think, I don't even know, but I'm bringing one of my friends, Sarah, so we're gonna go, and then yeah, that's like it I have planned. I just want to tell you guys though, this video was filmed over the course of like a couple weekends, because sometimes I literally just stay in my room and do homework all day, but I don't want to show you guys that because that's kind of boring. But I want to show you guys these paintings I got from Desino. I don't even know what it's called. I'll have it linked down below. They're not sponsoring this. I paid for these with my own money, okay? He, a breathe, and then this like abstract kind of smoke thing going on, and then I got the frames from Amazon. So cute. And then over here, it's a lit up neon light. It's from Amazon. It actually wasn't that expensive compared to the other ones I've seen, and it's so cute. I love it. It makes me so happy. My shirt is from Meshki. It's just this black cropped long sleeve shirts, and then I'm wearing IMG pants. I need to get some jeans, guys. Like, I need jeans. I have none. I'm wearing these boots I got from Nordstrom. Again, I'll have this, oh my god, I'm out of breath, seriously. I have this outfit linked down below so you guys can shop it. I'll probably wear this black coat just to keep it all black. I was like, can I just wear sweatpants and a hoodie? But then I was like, probably not a good idea for, you know, an event. Oh yeah, let's go. phone charge. This is so cute. Touch here to charge. Oh my gosh.
Look.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cool. Dude, we have to take a picture here. Oh my god, I can't.
Trying to drop people out until that one right over there.
Does it look like me? First of all, what even is this sink? Look at this sink shape. And then this is the handle to the sink. Another touch like button toilet. And then these walls. Hey guys, so I just got back from the event. It was so much fun. Look how many waters I stole. Okay, yes, that's what happens when they have free water and you're a college student. There was an artist and she drew me. How cute. You guys saw it already, but I thought that was so cute. And then I also took a magazine. The apartment was unreal, like beautiful goals, like who lives there? And they have a dog. They had a dog house, what? With fake grass, and it was just gorgeous. I had so much fun. I get so nervous going to events because I'm like, I'm not gonna know anyone. I'm gonna be alone in the corner just eating. But I got to bring a friend, so that was nice. I love Sarah, she's so cute. Hope you guys enjoyed this weekend of my life video. I love you all so much. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. I think that's everything. Okay, I love you. Bye. Mwah.